Yo, Dan Lemon finally swim out as the former CNN host marries his boyfriend. A damn thing they are going in a foreign.
They put TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it,
man? Yeah, greetings, yeah, and salutations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. Yeah, I'm reporting here live from the Approach TV as an ex-CNN host, Dan Lemon, where enough people know, married in partner Tim Malone. Listen, people, him finally swim out like an eel. They says that the former CNN anchor, a 57-year-old real man. Yeah, and that them I try make you say, I believe. Former CNN anchor, 58-year-old, marries his boyfriend, Malone, 40-year-old. A real estate broker tied the knot on Saturday at a church ceremony before heading to a swanky reception in Ralph Lauren Polo Bar, where the couple had their first date. The couple posed for a picture on the step up the Fifth Avenue Presbyterian Church with their 3 adopted dogs. The 140-strong guest list included hosts of luminaries from the world of media and entertainment and one of 2 controversial figures. Listen to me. Me no care when I talk about controversy. What me I talk about is Dan Lemon always talking about the existential threat that's in America. And who them say? White male. Uh-oh. It seems like Dan Lemon like the white male strapping him. You are going to, because me can't believe these black people, these social justice warriors that are always faking as if the European skin person is their greatest threat, when everybody know, say, him greatest threat is himself. Look upon this big man, 58, gonna pick up one young 40-year-old man. Imagine, a them man that them put on TV, in sour than lime, him is a lemon. Dan Lemon marries his longtime boyfriend. The boyfriend 18 years younger than him. Imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of The Approach TV. Reporting Dan Lemon finally swims out with his boyfriend in the sea and him dog wibbly wobbly woo. Imagine Dan Lemon, a black American man, will set him a social justice warrior who is always talking about the most biggest, highest threat to democracy in America is white men. You are going to, and I'm surprised, shocked to hear that he is swimming out with a white man tea leaf. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Leave your comment on this one. People, I feel like if you're saying that the white man is so bad, you should not be laying up in the sag with the white man. More life, more joy. Yeah, and that the Rasta man report pan. Me I tell you, Dan Lemon, sour than a lime, married. Yeah, swim out with him boyfriend. You are gone tea. He's on a live. More life and more joy. More nappiness.
Fire, leading fire,